Gil, welcome to Biotech and Money's HealthEx Forum.
Thank you.
Can you tell me why you decided to attend today's forum?
Well, the UK has always been a hotbed of amazing technology, especially in the biotech space with Oxford and Cambridge and some of the biotech companies that came out. And being based here in London, I feel it's a bit my duty to help the companies here in the UK to access capital in addition to those clients that I have on the continent.
Great. And can you tell me, from Jefferies' point of view, where you see the biggest opportunity for the sector in the next 12 months?
The biggest opportunity for the sector in the next 12 months is really to capitalize on a lot of the money that's been raised over the last several years. All of that money has gone to fund clinical development, and over the next, I'd say, 12 to 18 months, you're going to continue to see a lot of these companies hopefully hit on the milestones that they promise and raise money on. As they continue to do better and continue to grow in value, that's going to feed the fuel for the next set of innovation to come forward, and it's all about making a difference in medicine. So it's a pretty exciting time.
Okay, great. And this is a forum for CEOs of life science companies. And in your job at Jefferies, obviously you deal with a lot of CEOs. What in your mind is the biggest challenge that they face?
Biggest challenge for CEOs is managing their time. Raising capital and funding their balance sheet to be able to run the clinical trials that they need and push their companies forward requires a significant amount of engagement with investors. And many of my clients spend up to 30% of their time speaking with investors. And when you're doing that, how do you manage running your business? When you have to go across the pond to meet investors, it takes a significant portion of your time. So the travel, the time associated with doing stuff that's not directly associated with your business, but more around awareness and raising capital, is the hardest for them to manage.
Okay. And finally, what is your outlook on the future of healthcare investment in the UK in the next 12 to 3
I'm quite positive about it. We've seen some good signs from some recent transactions where the UK market has come and participated in several healthcare deals. We see the private community continuing to finance some of the biotech companies that are here, and some significant funds have been raised by some healthcare specialists out here that should help to catalyze additional listings in the London Stock Exchange and help to grow the biotech community out here as well.